Hello beautiful people. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make email templates in Gmail and how to use email templates. For example, at the moment you can see that I'm in Gmail, and if I were to tap on Compose in the top left hand corner, you can see right here the mail section, and this is how it typically looks once you're in Gmail and you want to send an email. And you can see the menu option at the bottom right here, and these are the basic menu options that you'll get when you're composing an email. But I'll be showing you how to make an email template. First, you'll need to go into your Google browser and you're going to type in Google Extensions Store. Once you have done that, I want you to select Chrome Web Store right here, and it is going to lead you to this page. And from here, you are going to go in the search bar in the top left hand corner, and you are going to type in Gmail templates. So you are going to type in Gmail email templates. Once you have done that, you'll be led to this dashboard, and I want you to select the first option as it is the most highly rated, as you can see right here. So you are going to select Gmail email templates by Cloud HQ. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can read more about this package. As you can see, it has beautiful email templates for Gmail. Design your templates and import templates from MailChimp with team sharing. And you can read more about it if you want. You are going to scroll back up and you are going to tap on Add to Chrome. After you have selected Add to Chrome, you are going to tap on Add Extension. And by the way, once you have added an extension, you will see it in the top right hand corner, as you can see it right there. And I'm going to tap on Turn on Sync. So by the way, the extensions is in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to tap on Yes, I'm in. Next, you can close out of this. After you have done that, what I want you to do next, as you can see, your messages automatically open up, and you can see right there, you can read more about it. But we are going to close out of this right here. What you'll need to do next is go over to the top left hand corner again, and from there we are going to tap on Compose. After you have selected Compose, you will see some new menu options right here. As you can see, this tool was not there before, more tools. So we are going to tap on that. After selecting more tools, you can see the option Insert Template, Save Draft as Template, and also Edit as HTML. So you can see 3 new options. So if we were to tap on Insert Template right here, you will see the option to create an account. You're going to tap on that. And after selecting create an account, you're going to sign in with your email address. Then you'll scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on allow. And just give it a few seconds to create your account. Once your account has been created, it will reopen your Gmail, as you can see right there. And what you'll need to do next, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner again, and you'll select Compose if it does not automatically pop up. Once it pops up, let us tap on Insert Template again. After tapping on Insert Template, you will be led to this dashboard on which you'll see Browse Templates, and you can select Free Templates. After selecting free templates, you can see that there is over 1,449 templates that you can choose from, as you can see right there. So there are numerous free templates you can choose from, and if you would like to search for a particular heading, for example, you want templates based around education or holiday, you could select that. If you want based around invites, you can also do that. If you are doing job seeking, you can also choose templates around that. Or if you are doing marketing, you could choose a template around that. All you'll have to do now is simply scroll down. And let's say, for example, we want to send an email for Mother's Day, as Mother's Day is right around the corner. All you'll have to do is hover over the template, Then you are going to tap on the pencil icon to copy and edit. So you are going to tap on that pencil icon, and you can see right here that it is loading up the template, and you can see it opens in another page. Just give it a few seconds to open up. Once it opens up, you can make the changes that you want, and as you can see in the right hand column, we'll have the menu option. So you can add HTML if you want. You could add a timer, video, attachment. Any one of these options you can use. You can scroll down. You could add a poll if you want also, and you can also add an unsubscribe button. So let's say for example you want to add the name. So I want to change the name right here. So I'm going to tap on the text box. After tapping on the text box from here, I can clear this name. So I'm going to put in my name. And after doing that, you can also change the alignment as you can see right here. And if I wanted to change the font size, I could change the font size by simply tapping on the font options. Then if I wanted to make the font bigger, I could. If I wanted to make it bold, I could. And I can also change the font style overall. And if you wanted to add a link, all you'll have to do is highlight the text that you'd like to add the link to. Then you could tap on the link icon right here to insert a link. And you can also see in the right hand menu option, you can see more editing options right there. Once it is to your liking, you can scroll back up, and again if you would like to change anything you can. So let's say for example you want to change the image right here. All you'll have to do is tap on the image, and you can also see that they have the AI feature that you can use. So if you'd like to use artificial intelligence to create an image, you can do that by tapping on See the Magic right there. Or if you would like to upload an image from your laptop or PC, you could tap on Upload Image. Or you could select more images right there, and you could tap on stock photos, and you could search for one of the stock photos and see if you find any to your liking. And by the way, you can also change the alignment of the image as you can see right there, and you can change the alternate text if you want. And if you wanted to make the image clickable, all you'll have to do is add a URL right here. Then you'll select Open Website, and once someone taps on that image, it will automatically lead them to a website. Once you're finished and it is to your liking, all you'll have to do, as you can see here, you can tap on blocks. There are numerous editing options you can choose from. Once it is finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top left hand corner, and you can now close the tab, and you can see right here that I've saved the template, and this is my template now. So all I have to do, I can tap on more, the three buttons right here. If I would like to share the template, I could select share right here, and after selecting share, from here I can enter the person's email address that I would like to share the template with, and I can also add a message right here. Then I'll tap on send to share the template, and that's it. And you can scroll down and you can copy the link if you would want. As you can see, anyone with this link can download this template. So if you would like to copy the link and share the link via link, you can also do that. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. And by the way, if you would also like to add MailChimp, you can use MailChimp templates. All you'll have to do is tap on Authorize MailChimp right here. And if I were to tap on Go to Dashboard right here, you can see how the Cloud HQ dashboard looks. As you can see here, this is it. And this is the template that I've created earlier. And by the way, you can also create templates on Canva. And Canva is a free software that you can go in. So all you'll have to do is go onto canva.com. And once on canva.com, you could sign up with your email address again. And in the search bar, all you'll have to do is type in email. After typing in email, below templates, you can see email marketing or newsletter email, or you can select email newsletter right here. After selecting email newsletter, you will see numerous templates that you can edit. So for example, you could edit any one of these templates, and after editing that particular template, you could upload them onto Gmail right here. So you could send them via Gmail. So if you want, you can use Canva to create templates, and then you could upload them onto Gmail and you could send them via Gmail. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make Gmail email templates and also how to send Gmail email templates. Thanks for watching.